So I think last week my Dell 7490 hard disk died, and so I'm just going to quickly show how I change the M.2 SSD by pinching it from this old Lenovo 110S laptop. Fortunately, on the Dell laptop, the screws are very shallow, so you can use this type of screwdrivers to access it. But the Lenovo, as you can see, I tried to dig in, but it's too deep. You have to use one of those long stem screwdrivers to get into it. On the 7490, there are 8 screws. On the 110S Lenovo, there is 11 screws to remove. Okay, once I remove the screws, just gonna start this from the back. Anyway, it's probably easier to access. Lift up. Okay, there you go. Put aside the screws. So this is the back. We turn it around. So for this particular laptop, the back slides in, hooks, and you press down from the back. So pulling upwards, and you slide forward. Don't pull the front end upwards, otherwise you will crack like mine. So it hooks in here, so the hooks are like that. So it goes in like that. So please don't pull it upwards, slide it out towards the back. So that's the M.2 22 by 80 SSD. So it's just one screwdriver here, one screw just holding it. Just unscrew that, and you can see you can remove it easily. Oops. Slide it that way because it goes in that way. Ta-da! Lenovo, the Dell just seems like it just pops up easily. So once you remove that screw, again slide it and pops your uncle. Oh, by the way, you also can upgrade the DDR, add more DDR here if you want to. So to replace, just do the reverse. So flat down, not at an angle, and push in. Gently hold it there. Screw it down so it doesn't rock and roll when you're carrying a laptop around. Ta-da! Now would also be a good time to vacuum the dust in your fan with your vacuum. I guess that's it. Alright, thanks for watching, guys.